Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this my short treat of today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to download and install Oracle VirtualBox on your computer. So guys, let's get into it. So I'm gonna go to my web browser, type in I click enter. So I'm going to get into the official website of Oracle VirtualBox. I'm gonna go to the right hand side, download. So now like these are the different operating systems on which Oracle VirtualBox can run. So I am a Windows user. I'm gonna click on the Windows first. So I'm gonna wait until this is done. So guys, now that my download is done, I'm gonna open the file and click on my Oracle VirtualBox. I wait for the installer to do its job. I will click on next, yes, install. This is going to take up to 5 minutes to install our VirtualBox. So I'm gonna wait until this is done. Now that our VirtualBox is done, okay guys, now that my Oracle VirtualBox is done, I'm gonna click on finish, start our VirtualBox. So now like this, you can see this how your VirtualBox is supposed to appear. So in our next tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys how to create virtual machines. So guys, thanks for watching this my short tutorial of today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and to give it a thumbs up. So guys, see you in the next one. Goodbye.